Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve probability class 11th chapter 16 example 8. A coin is tossed 3 times. Consider the following events. Event A, no head appears. Event B, exactly one head appears. And event C, at least 2 heads appear. Do they form a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events? So we solve like this. If 3 coins are tossed, then we have the sample space like this: head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. So these are the 8 elements in our sample space. Now we find out the elements in events asked in the question. Event A, no head appears. So in all the throw, tail, tail, tail is the element in event A. Now event B, exactly one head appears. So the elements in set B are head, tail, 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 head, tail, and tail, tail, head. So these are the 3 elements in event B. And event C, at least 2 head appears. It means that the elements must have 2 or more head. So these points are head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, and tail, head, head. So these are the elements in event C. Now we find whether the sets are mutually exclusive or not. So A intersection B, there is no common element in between event A and B. So A intersection B is phi. Now we take the pair A and C. So A intersection C is equal to phi, as there is no common element in between A and C. Now we take B intersection C. Here also we find that there is no common element in between event B and C. So B intersection C is also phi. It means that these pairs are mutually exclusive. Now we find A union B union C. So the elements we take from all the events and we write them. H is the element in event C. HT is also element in event C. HTH is the element in event C. THH is the element in event C. HTT is element in event B. THT is element in event B. TTH is the element in event B, and TTT is the element in event A. So these all elements together form the sample space S. Hence we can say that these are exhaustive events. A, B and C are exhaustive event. Therefore, A, B and C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.